Welcome back. In this video, I'll be walking you through theory of logarithm part 2. Theory of logarithm part 2. Now, we have done part 1. We have done part 1, which is on expression. But this part 2 will be on equation, on equation. Now, once again, before we move on, further solutions academy. Encourage us more. This is our YouTube channel name, Further Solution Academy. Subscribe. Make sure you subscribe when you view, and also you share to your friend. Share to your friend. Once again, Further Solutions Academy. Now, on equation, we are dealing with equation on this video. Now, the first part is on the law that guide logarithm and the expression aspect of it. Now, for instance, if I have find x, if log into base 2 bracket of x plus 5 equals to 4. Now, this is my first problem. If I have this type of problem I want to solve, solution. Now, what I will just do is that this is a number without no log. I can say that what my log x plus 5 into base 2 equals to what? 4 log 2. It means, what am I doing here? I'm timesing this one by 1. Now, if I have a number with the same base, it will be 1. Now, since I have, with the help of our log, if I have log 2 bracket of x plus 5 equals to what? Log 2 to 4. Now, you will now establish since log into base 2 is equals to log into base 2. Therefore, my x plus 5 equals to what? Which is the bracket of 1 equals to 2 raised to power 4. Now, it means my x equals to what? 2 raised to power 4 minus 5. I subtract 5 from both sides, which I will now have. Take away 16 from 5. Now, my x will be equals to 16, which is what? 11. Now, it will satisfy the equation if side A is equals to what? Side B. If side A equals to what? Side B. Now, how do I do that? Now, I have this. If I have log 2, I want to check. I want to check. If I have log 2, I have 11 plus 5. Okay, this is going to be what? 16 log into base 2. Now, I have log 2 raised to power 4, which is equals to what? 4 log what? 2, which is equals to what? 4. Now, LHX must be equals to what? RHX. If they are not equal, you have not solved any equation. That is the logic behind any given equation. That is number 1. Number 2, I have a problem like this. Which I can have a problem like, okay, if I have log, solve the equation. I have log to base 3 bracket of what? 5x minus 6 plus log 3 in the bracket of what? 2x plus 3 minus log 2 into base 3 equals to 1. I want to solve this type of problem. How do I go? The first thing I will check is, are they of the same base? If they are of the same base, no problem. But if they are not on the same base, there will be a big problem. Okay, since I have this, the base must be equal. Since the base is equal, I have no issue. Now, I can now follow the law of what? Logarithm. Log 1, log 2, log 1, and log 1, log 2. Which I can say that what? Log 3 into big bracket of 5x minus 6 multiplied by 2x plus 3 divided by 2. All close bracket equals to what? 1. Now, I use log 1 and log 2. Since I have this, I can now establish that what? My 1, I can attach my what? Log 3 and what? 3 into it, which is the same thing as what? Multiplying by what? Identity, which is 1. Now, I can now say that what? Since log base 3 is equals to what? Log base 3. Therefore, I can say that what? My 5x6 bracket of 2x plus 3 divided by 2 equals to what? 1. That means equals to 3 raised to power 1. Now, since I have that, I can now move on by having multiply everything by 2. If I have 2, I will have 6. Open this bracket, I will have 5x, which is 10x squared plus 15x minus 12x minus, which is 18, equals to 6. I multiply this by this. Now, since I have that, I cannot say that this one and this one will be 3. Now, it will be 3. I have 6x squared. I have plus 3x minus 18 equals to 6. Now, this and this we also increase to 24. I can now say that what? Having 24, I can now say that what? I'm having 24. Let me use red marker. I'm having 24. Now, 10x squared plus 3x minus 24 equals to 0. Now, become quadratic equation. Can I reduce? No. I can now use my quadratic equation to solve this particular problem. And quadratic equation will give you two roots, which is s will be something, x will be what? Something. Now, it's not necessary to use there are 4 methods of solving quadratic equation. I'm not here to teach quadratic equation, but this is how to go about it. After that, you test for it. That is just about that. Now, okay. Another problem. I can ask to solve a question like this. I can ask to solve a question like this, which okay. I can ask to solve a question like I have log. Now I have log 3 bracket of 5x minus 6 and plus log this 3 bracket of what? 2x plus 3 equals to log 3 bracket of 10x squared plus minus 3x minus 5 close brackets. Now this time around I have 3. There won't be any problem. They are all in this 3. That is what you need to look around for. Now, since I have that kind of thing, I can go by my log 1, which is what? I have 5x minus 6 and what? 2x equals to what? Equals to log 3 and 10x squared 3x 5. Now, since I have this, I can now say that what? My base, they are the same base. It means since log base 3 and also log base 3, they are equal. It means I can say that what? Open bracket here, I can 5x minus 6, 2x plus 3 equals to 10x squared 3x 5. Now, which I can now say that what? I have 10, I have plus 15x, 10x, 12x minus 18 equals to what? 10x squared, 3x and 5. Now, this will give me 3. I have 10x plus 3x minus 18 equals to 10x squared. Sorry, this is squared, this is squared. Now, minus 3x 5. This will move out to this. Now, this and this will be 6x. This and this can be what? Minus 15 plus 18. Minus 15 plus 18 will be what? 3 and 3, 5, okay, which is going to be, that will be 3, 18, remove 5 from 18, which is going to be what? 18 divided by 18 minus 5, which is going to be 3, remain 2, which is going to be what? 13. It's going to be 13. Now I will have 13, 6x equals to, divide both sides by 6. This will cancel this, which my x will be now be equals to 13 divided by, which is going to be how many? 2 number 1 over 6. That is my final answer. I can now put this to satisfy the equation. That is for that. Now, okay, another one. I want to solve another equation. I may have a problem like this. That's going to be very, very technical. That I'm having, let me go to a bit of simultaneous equation. Now, simultaneous equation, like solve the equation, let me just go like this. If log 2 bracket of what? X minus 5y plus 4 equals to 0, and log 2 bracket of what? X plus y minus 1 equals to 2 log base 2y. Find x and y. Now, this is a very good question that it can come out in any exam. If I have this is called simultaneous equation because there are two equality signs, 1 and what? And 2. Now, I can say that what? Equation 1, which is I have log 2 bracket of x 5y plus 4 equals to 0. Now, what can I do here? I can say this. I can add what? 5y plus 4 equals to 0 is 0 log 2, which is also bracket of log base 2. Now, since this is equals to this, base 2, which I can say that what? My x minus 5y plus 4y equals to what? 2 raised to power is 0. 0 raised to power, 2 raised to power is 0, which is any number raised to power 0 is 1, except 0 himself. Now, I can now say that what? My x minus 5y equals to what? 2 raised to power 0 minus 4, which is 1, which is going to be minus 3, equals to x minus 5y, equation 1. Now, I'll also move on to the next one, which is what? Log 2 bracket of x plus 1 minus equals to what? 2 log 2 and what? Y. Now, I can collect like times here. Collect like time. Now, if I collect like times, now I will just have what? Log base 2 minus, log base 2 x plus y, plus 1 minus 2 log 2y equals to 1. This one, and also that is logic behind. I subtract the both side by what? The log of what? 2 log base 2y, and also add to both sides, 1 to both sides. Now, since I have this, I can now say that what? Now, what I'm going to look out for, I'll be having 2x bracket of x plus 1 minus, which is going to be log 2y2 equals to 1. Now, since I have this, there is minus. I can now go by the log, which is log 2. I'll be having log 2 bracket of x plus y divided by what? Y squared equals to what? 1. Now, the same way, I will multiply this by what? By 1. Then my 1 will be what? Log 2, 2. Which, since this, they are of the same base, therefore, I can say that what? This is base 2. X plus 1 all over y squared equals to what? 2 raised to power 1. Now, I will now say that what? X plus 1 equals to what? 2y squared. Which I can now say that what? X minus 2y equals to minus 1. Equation 2. I can now solve it simultaneously. There are many ways of solving simultaneous equation. There are 4 ways. We have equating method, it's square. We have equating method, we have elimination method, substitution method, and graphical method. There won't be any problem. Any of the method goes. I think from equation 1, I can say that from equation 1, let me quickly solve it. My y equals to what? Minus 3 plus 5y. Can I put that on what? Equation 2, which I can now say that what? Put x into equation 2. Now, since I have that, I will be having minus 3 plus 5y minus 2y squared equals to minus 1. Which I can now say that what? I can now say that, let me rub this part. Okay. Which I can say that 3 and which is going to be 4. I have 5y minus 2y squared equals to 4. Equals to 3 and equals to 2. Which I can say that what? Which I can say that I have okay, 2y squared minus 5y minus 2 equals to 0. Now, if I multiply, this is minus, this is plus. I will multiply all by what? By minus. It's not proper to be having this here. I will be having y squared minus 5y plus 2 equals to 0. Which I want to factorize 4. I will multiply to get 4 and also add a number to get 5. 4 times 1. If I have minus minus, I think it will be of help. Minus minus, which I can answer that what? 2y squared minus 4y minus y plus 2 equals to 0. I can now group into 2. I'm solving quadratic equation now. Now, which I will add, what's common here? 2y bracket of what? Y minus 2. What's common here is what? Minus 1. Bracket of y minus 2 equals to 0. Now, since I have this, I can answer that what? Now, 2y minus 1, y minus 2 equals to 0. This is called factor. I'm not here to teach equation today. And also, I can answer that what? 2y minus 1 equals to 0, or y minus 2 equals to 0. It means my y equals to 1 over 2, or my y equals to 2. Now, that is possible value for what? For y. Now, to get my x, I can, any of the equation, which is, since my x is equals to that, I can use this equation, this equation having here, which I can say that what? My x equals to, from equation 2. Now, my x, it will be equals to 2y squared minus 1. 2y squared minus 1. Since I have that, put y. When y equals to 1 all over 2, it means I'll be having x equals to 2 multiplied by what? 1 all over 4 minus 1, which is here 1, here 2. 2, which is going to be 2, which is going to be minus minus 1 all over 2. It means my x equals to minus 1 over 2. And also, when y equals to what? 2. I'll just put my x equals to what? 2 bracket of 2 squared minus 1, which is going to be 8, which is going to be x equals to 7. Now, it means I'm having 7, and now the positive value are what? X, comma y, and what? X, comma y. I can do it like this. Produce a coordinate. That is why we are solving simultaneous equation. Now, it means when my x is what? When it's half, I have my x is what? It means minus 1 over 2, comma what? 1 all over 2. And also, when is what? 7, I have 7, comma 2. That is my possible value. This is what? X, y. That is coordinate anyway. Now, that is all about that. Now, another problem that can come up, that can be very complex, that is simultaneous part of what? Okay, another problem that can come up if I have a problem like this. I have a question like I'm asked to given that log 3x plus log 381 equals to 1. You are asked to find x. Now, this type of problem is very, very simple. What I'll just do is that solution to this problem. Now, I'll be having log 3x plus log 381. My 81 can be expressed 3 raised to the power 4 equals to 1. They are all of the same base. Having 3 in the bracket of what? X multiplied by what? 3 raised to the power 4 equals to what? 1. Which I can now say that what? Multiply this by what? Log 3. Since this and this are equal, it means what? X multiplied by what? Which is 81x. Let me just put 81x equals to what? 3 raised to the power 1. Divide both sides by what? 81 by 81. Which is my x equals to what? 1 all over 27. 1 all over 27. That is my possible value for what? For x is possible. And another one that can come up, it can also come up on the equation part of what? This thing is if solve the equation, we have log 3x plus log x3 equals to 10 all over 3. Now, if I have this type of problem, it's very, very technical. Solution to this problem. Now, what I will just do is that what? Log 3x plus log x equals to what? 10 all over 3. Now, they are not of the same base. Now, I will do it a way that this is normal, this is abnormal. I'm looking for x. I can say a log 3x plus 1 all over log 3x equals to what? 10 all over what? 3. Now, I use log 4, not log 5. I've given you the log, which is part 1. Check it out. Just say let log 3x equals to what? N. Therefore, I will be having m plus 1 all over m equals to 10 all over what? 3. I will be having m squared plus 1 all bracket of what? 3 equals to what? 10m. I open the brackets and also multiply, find the factorize this side and also. Now, since I have that kind of this, I can also have 3m squared plus 3 minus 10m equals to 0. I can say that what? 3m squared minus 10m minus plus 3 equals to 0. Now, I want to factorize this problem. My AC is equals to 9. My B equals to what? Minus 10. What number can I multiply that will give me this particular number, and also add up the number. It will give me, which is 9 and what? 9 and minus 1. Minus 9 minus 1 to produce this number. Now, since I have this number, I'm just using style to teach quadratic equation here. Now, this number will represent position of what? Of my b, which I will be having 3m squared minus minus m minus 9m plus 3 equals to 0. This is just b, representing b. I want to group this into 2, which I have m bracket of 3m minus 1. I can bring out what? 3 bracket of 3. I have 3m minus 1 equals to 0. Now, my m 3 and my 3m equals to 0. This is called factor. I can answer that what? My m equals to 3 or my m equals to what? 1 all over 3. Now, that is my possible value for what? M. I'm to find x, not n. Therefore, you now say that hence my m equals to what? Log x3. 3 on x. When m equals to 3, it means I'll be having log 3x equals to what? 3. Now, the same way, multiply this by what? Log 3. Now, which I'll have, since this and this are equal, it means what? My x equals to what? 3 raised to power 3, which is equals to my x equals to 27. And also, when my m equals to 1 all over 3, it means what? Log 3x equals to what? 1 all over 3. The same way, multiply this by what? Log 3. Since these are equal, it means my x equals to what? My s equals to 3 raised to power 1 all over, which is I'll be having, which is also implies 3 root of what? Of 3. That is my final. Now, my possible value are what? They are what? My m, my x equals to 27, and also my s equals to what? Cube root of what? Of 3. These are what? Now, you can now test, but this is the right answer. If you put this here, it will obey the what? The side A will be equals to what? Side B. The side A will be equal to side B. Okay, you can do a lot of practice a lot of things. I think I've touched a lot of questions on logarithm part of what. Now, I'll be taking you, the next video will be on part 3, which I'll be working on anything that involves 2 raised to power on equal base, on equal number, and we're having something like this, you want to solve it. Once again, this is Further Solutions Academy. Further Solutions Academy. Encourage us more. Help us to share our videos and also subscribe to our channel, Further Solutions Academy. Thanks for watching.